Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining about AMD error that comes when you try to open your AMD Radeon software on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So whenever you try to open it, it gives you an error message that Windows Update may have automatically replaced your AMD graphic driver. So what basically happened? Let me show you that when I try to open AMD software, it will come up with an error message and give you the same error message of AMD Radeon Software Adrenalin Edition Warning. Windows Update may have automatically replaced your AMD graphic driver. So the simple solution is you have to click on OK, right click on your Windows icon, then click on Device Manager. Here in the Device Manager, you have to look for Display Adapter, double click on it. You will be getting AMD Radeon Graphic. Right click on it and choose Properties. Now from the top menu option, click on Driver. And here you will be getting an option of rollback driver. You need to click on rollback driver, follow the instructions, and once it's been rolled back, you can check again. I'm very sure your problem will be fixed. But in case if you do not get this option highlighted like me, then what you have to do, you need to click on OK, close everything. You need to open your browser, type AMD Radeon driver, and then you have to click on the first link. Even I will leave the direct link. Now here you get two options. Either you can automatically go with auto detect option of AMD for Windows 10 and 11, or either you can manually select your graphic driver from the list over here. Okay, so let's say if I want to go with the auto detect option, so I will click on download now, and it will automatically detect the software required for my operating system, and then it will download it. And once downloaded, you have to click on the downloaded file, then click on yes, then click on install, and the installation will be started saying checking your PC hardware for driver and software compatibility. So you just have to wait here, avoid doing any other kind of other work, and wait until the process has been completed. And then you have to click on next, and then click on install. Now it will show you that what all will be installed. Then again you have to click on install again. Once the installation will be completed, it will say installation complete. And now it says the system restart is recommended in order to complete the installation. Alright, so you have to click on restart, and let me show you that after restarting the problem will be surely fixed, and even your AMD driver will be performing much far better. And there will be, if there is any other kind of issues related to your graphic driver, that also will be surely resolved. So let me quickly restart now. Alright, so the system has now been restarted. Let me go ahead and try to open the AMD software again and see that if the problem has been fixed. If I right click on the desktop and click on AMD software, so let's see whether it comes up or not. You can see now that the AMD software is successfully coming up now, and you won't be getting any other kind of messages. And even the performance will be boosted. So that's all guys. Hopefully this quick video will surely help you, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.